to Somerset Prep Homestead.
Today is Friday, December 6th, 2024.
I'm Rocco Castro.
And I'm Lucas Saavedra,
And you're watching Python TV.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Welcome back, Python.
Rocco, it's so cold in here.
You have a jacket. I don't even know what this is.
Maybe it's because we're not wearing a Python TV jacket.
Python TV has a jacket?
Yep, and it's coming out on the Python store. If you want to match with us, make sure you check it out.
Oh, count me in.
Now here are your daily announcements. That's it for today, Pythons. Remember to stay positive, be kind, and make the most out of every day.
Please buy the Python jacket for me. Please.